Welcome to the BoldSign e-signature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to unlock a document after a failed authentication in BoldSign. In BoldSign, email authentication is a method designed to verify recipients' identities by sending a one-time password, OTP, to their authorized email address. This process helps prevent unauthorized access to e-signature requests. When accessing signature requests with email authentication enabled, recipients must enter the verification code sent to their email to sign or approve the document. If the signer enters an incorrect or invalid OTP 3 times, the document will be locked and inaccessible. The sender is notified of the failed authentication, and the document is marked as needs attention. BoldSign allows the sender or the sender's admin to unlock the document, enabling signers to resume signing. Consider a scenario where a client has entered invalid email OTPs 3 times, locking the document. The client informs the sales manager about the issue. To enable the client to continue with the signing process, the sales manager must unlock the document and resume the email authentication process. When an invalid email OTP is entered 3 times, the document is locked. The signer is redirected to this page and alerted that the document is locked. On this page, the signer is also advised to contact the sender to resume the signing process. Let me demonstrate how the sales manager would unlock the document. First, I log into the BoldSign account. On the dashboard, documents are organized by their current status, making it easy to track their progress. Categories include waiting for me, waiting for others, needs attention, and a section for recently revoked, declined, or completed documents. The document with a failed authentication has been moved to the needs attention category to identify and address the issue quickly. Next, I need to rectify the error in the document. To do this, I locate it in the needs attention column and click it to navigate to the document's overview page. This page can also be accessed from the My Documents page. On this page, the document status is also displayed as needs attention, with the reason provided as authentication failed for the named recipient. From here, I move to the recipient details section, where the recipient's details associated with this document are displayed. The signer has not viewed the document due to the failed authentication. To allow the signer to continue with the signing process, I need to reset the email authentication. To do this, I hover over the recipient details and click the context menu. A list of options appears. Using these options, the sender can edit the recipient details, resume the signing process, or remove the authentication for the signer. I then click the Resume Signing option. A pop-up message appears, indicating that the signer can resume signing the document now. The document has been successfully unlocked for the specified signer. The status of the document also changes to waiting for others. The email authentication is reset, and the signer must verify their identity again using the email OTP code sent to their email before accessing the document. In this video, I showed you how to unlock a document with failed email authentication in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.